Dat werkt echt mooi in de oude that's usually why on video the TV, all the programs
Just filming for a friend.
Of course, I'm just packing up, but
Okay, okay.
free to film whatever you want.
Yeah. So you're driving up or are you taking a plane?
No, I'm driving up.
Driving up? Yeah.
2 hours. And 2 hours of packing that stuff. The car, probably.
Yeah.
I know. I've told him. I said
Don't drop me there, it's just not going to work. He's dropping me on the other side of the car. There'd be more if you had a game that wasn't enough.
4K and all.
I recall that when I was young, on the
Yeah, the mobile phone.
was a game that I could make it myself. Like never did. When my dad told me
It's been raining.
Bare dokumentere litt for en venn.
Been raining and raining and raining. And goes out to this little boy. Does it rain here?
Starting soon, we're going to have on the big screen the Road Declan final between Ian and Nathan. This is a special challenge, best of 3. So that's going to start shortly.
What would you bring back? Stick a rock.
Something like that. And you walk in and it's pretty cool.
See if I can get some.
I think we So this isn't going to work probably. No, that's the wrong one. Where's the it is this one. Right.
Did you get the hard drive working?
Still trying.
Still trying, okay. Yeah.
It's a work in progress.
GBP install disk.
Yeah. So what's the
This is a good old friend.
Sorry?
This radio.
Yes.
Yeah. I've been installing lots of those in the North Sea because I worked with telecom.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
So
so-
like works vehicles, things like that.
Yeah, it's a very nice radio because you have a nice accessory connector.
Which is exactly what I'm playing.
You can do, you have binary inputs and you can do all sorts of stuff.
That's exactly what this is doing here.
Yeah,
So the TNC is doing basically AFSK, BPSK,
Are you just
X25.
are you using license-free channels or?
I know I'm licensed, so
Okay.
I'm using.
Yeah, your own channel. Yeah. So 25K channel.
25 width channel,
Yeah.
We get 9,600 baud. And we have some newer modulations now we're playing with, which we're trying to get to like 1,900, no, 19,200 baud. Do like Gaussian shift keying, things like that.
okay.
I don't know what that was. That's specifically designed for. That was just a 67 watts.
I've actually seen it.
I did see that this can do rings.
That's actually exactly what I wanted. We do 2,000, right? I would actually go back.